Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Office Block Mission Coordinator haga kan rutruk yayong arajar pausan kelai khusnam deki trophy bagi surnat shiki kat Santli Skul kebedan Bhoi District nomor ka jingishim binta pura haga tobacco free education institutions. Haga ni ka jingalang lai shim binta lang do MLA ka nongpo Miral Bonds Im bagi Joint Director of District School Education and Literacy ka Ruby Das UBMC jong ka Umling Block PV Yadav ke District School Education Officer ke Kong Kiba Jerwa, Chairman Jong ke Umsning Town Dorbar, Ubak Roki Kella bar kiwe-kiwe.
I know all of us here, we know very well the plus points and the minus points for consuming tobacco. What I believe is this: in our homes, if the family members of our homes are not healthy, everything is not okay. In the society, in the state, in our district, if our citizens are not healthy, I believe we will be nowhere. Because what I believe, health is wealth. So, tobacco kills. All of you have seen the writing, right? Tobacco kills. Smoking kills. But still, so I think it is high time, a very, very high time, for us, all of us, I will not say only the teachers in school, all of us, each and every one of us, starting from here, that we should sensitize each and everyone, not only the students, even the adults. What are the ill effects of tobacco? Because the government's initiative is very good. The block initiative is very good. We know all the activities. There were signature campaigns, and then we used to have those rallies where we asked the students to carry all those placards and all saying, say no to tobacco, right? So what I want to mention here, especially to our teachers, to our dear teachers, to please inculcate this into the minds of the students. Their minds are still fresh. Not to get themselves indulged in these activities.
We are in position to check almost tobacco use, means people are agree not to use the tobacco. Around 2,22,423 people under Umling block have signed, taken the oath that they will not have tobacco anymore in their future life. So with this objective, we have to work this year also. I humble request all the school principals over here to carry out this program so that our community will be saved from the health risk like cancer, as we know that Meghalaya is the prone of cancer, and particular our Bhoi district also. Then by checking, by awareing the people about the tobacco, we are in position to check the cancer disease which is spreading in our Meghalaya now and then.
We should take a pledge by saying no to drugs, say no to tobacco, and we should say yes to good health. We have seen through different data that is there with the state government, the cause of death of many we have seen in hospital. That is as per the data within the health department, who has been admitted in hospital and who passed away in hospital. We have the data where not less than 60 to 65% people died due to cancer in general. It is more for male. For female, it is a little bit less, the data. There are multiple reasons for cancer. But one of the reason is tobacco. There are those who don't smoke in their life, but still they have cancer. That is natural. But in general, if we take one of the reasons, surely it is tobacco. Maybe cigarette, maybe Duma, maybe what they call Jingdih, Bhoi, all those we used to have. It costs slowly. You understand? There has been a study, a research that has been done, where it has been proved that it is one of the reasons. I'm not saying 100%, but it is one of the reasons. So that's why I would like to congratulate for the campaign. The campaign is still on. It's still on. Now with the campaign with regard to tobacco, with regards to drugs, it has to be a continuous campaign altogether. I always tell my friends, colleagues at home, family members also, when we try to do anything, let us do it continuously. We'll plant tree not only on the 5th of June. We'll say for the campaign for no tobacco, it's not only for 2 months, 3 months. It is not only within 100 circle radius, I think you determine like that.
Yes,
The school premises 100 kilometer radius. Suppose a teacher after 100 meter he will smoke, who will guarantee? That is natural. That is natural. So that campaign has to be the teachers, the parents, the awareness has to be there. We understand you always there at the ground to give awareness through this campaign also.
And because of the school participation, Bhoi district has also got an award last year. We have achieved 95% of activities. Active school in Bhoi district. It's all the hard work of the school, so I really congratulate the school and all the staff of education who really helped the school and also the education department in implementing and making Bhoi district as an example district to other district also, because we are the one who achieved more than 90% achievement in active participation of Tylli program. So, and I can congratulate Umling block also because they got the best block. They got 99.8% in active participation of Tylli program last year. And I wish that this year also we will do the same. And without, I know that it's difficult to take part in Tylli program. There are so many activities like appointing a nodal officer in the school, keeping the signage, report tobacco shop near school. Also, we have to report as the school. No, within 100-meter yards, there should be no tobacco selling near the school campus, and the school have actively participate, report if there is any shop that's selling tobacco near the school. They actively report to us, and we forward it directly to the DC office, and DC take the initiative with the police department. As a teacher, if we understand enough the harmful effect of tobacco, only then we can sensitize our teacher or our student. So for this program that SAR have organized today, it's very effective for all the school. I think that when we see in social media through the video that we are going to record, that this program is very helpful and effective, and if you take part in it, our future will be brighter.